wanna stay. I could be the one, baby. Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause mistake, you're breaking my heart open anyway, baby, anyway. That I saw you at the gate with your head down, avoided all the spots we used to hang out. Yeah, I can move away forever if it.
We had a flat tire.
Is that the only way to know you? Is that the only way you ever mean? Is that the only way to show you? Show you, show. I don't wanna love nobody. I don't want something that's not true. I don't want anything. A lifetime of 5 seconds trying to trace sadness hidden in the lines. It's printed on your face. It's printed on your face. Got you from the airport yesterday. Call me out for staring, but I don't mind, 'cause I wipe your tears dry, fold your Levi's, clean the mess up in my room. If it meant knowing you, I'd run the street lights, watch my dreams die, change the colors of my truth. If it meant knowing you. Sitting at a cafe down on Queen.
Now that's Carol. Come closer so you'll be the other one.
So I don't mind. Wipe your tears dry, fold your Levi's, clean the mess up in my room. If it meant knowing you, I'd run the street light, watch my dreams die.
Food. You guys keep out.
And it's hurt that you're feeling, 'cause it hurt me to getting it out. But for now, wipe your tears dry, folded Levi's, clean the mess up in my room. If it meant knowing you, I'd run through street lights, watch my dreams die, change the colors of my dream. If it meant knowing you, if it meant knowing you, if it meant knowing you. Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Looking outside my window, seeing you in the sky. Wanna give you a diamond, yeah, I wanna make you mine. Sending a sign from up above, 'cause I'm so in love, in love, in love.
Hi, and oh, stop like a sausage. It was sausage.
It's a raining day.
Yes, it's creepy raining day. It's now fun.
You will spoil it. I need to open it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. See pepperoni.
I will do pepperoni and pizza.
But they say thin slice. Is this their thin slice? Dominion pizza. Is this people's thin slice? That look like what I don't know. This is not thin slice. Yes, for me.
For you and Papa. How about me? Hey. Mama, do macaroni.
I'll share this one for you. Give them to the one. Let me
Breaking my heart open anyway.
One thing both of you love to do is to build.
Avoided all the spots we used to hang out. Yeah, I can move away forever if it help out. If it help you. Like, is that the only way to know you? Is that the only way you'd ever let me in? Is that the only way?
That one, yeah. What is that one? Okay, it's the dog house. Wow, this is so beautiful. Dog house cannot stay up now. You have to put it down. It has to be in the garden. In the book, was the dog house up or in the garden?
I don't wanna be just the one to go.